Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. It's Christmas Day. Alright? This week I'm going to be doing Jamaican Christmas fruit cake. Alright? If you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Alright? Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Come a quick bubble up. Yes, so first what we're going to do, we're going to combine all our dry ingredients, right? So we have our baking flour, right? So we're going to measure 4 cups of baking flour. Alright, so this is 2 cups. This is another 2 cups. Alright, so 4 cups of baking flour. And that is a combining agent, right, help to bring everything together. We're going to sieve it out. So we have our mixed spice by Island Spice, not sponsored by Island Spice. So I like to bake with a lot of spice, you know, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mixed spice. So this is 1 tablespoon, add it in there. This is another tablespoon, so 2 tablespoons of mixed spice. Alright, make everything nice. This is our baking powder. Alright, so we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Alright, help to soften the cake. Alright, so we're going to add another. We're going to work with 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Alright. So we're going to add our salt. Half a teaspoon of salt, not much. So that is all our combining agent. So we're going to combine our dry ingredient together. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add our wet ingredients. So we have our cane sugar. Right, we need 4 cups of cane sugar. This is 2 cups. 4 cups. So we have our margarine. What we're going to do, we're going to add our margarine. Two to 3 tablespoons of margarine. Right? We have our vanilla, Benjamin's artificial vanilla. Right, not sponsored by Benjamin's. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Benjamin vanilla for flavoring. We have our pure cow's milk, Miracle cow's milk, not sponsored by Miracle. We're going to add 2 cups of cow's milk. Now what we're going to do, we're going to mix this up into a cream. So we have our eggs. Alright, going to use 4 eggs. Add 2 eggs. So we have our biryani for white rum. We're going to add some biryani for rum to the mixture as well. Alright, add 2 tablespoons. Alright, so this is all our wet ingredients. Combine them together. So we have our mixed fruit soaked in fruit wine, right? So we have our raisin, our currant, our prune, right? And we also have mixed peels, right? Okay, so blender stop working, so everything will have to be done the old-fashioned way today. Alright, so just grind these out. I'm going to combine our wet ingredient with our wet ingredient. Seems as if the bowl is overflowing. Need something bigger. Now, some people use browning to give it that black look, right? But I don't like to use browning because browning tend to take away the fruity taste. So what I'm going to do now is combine the dry ingredient with the wet ingredient, bring everything together. We are going to preheat our oven. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to grease our baking tin using the margarine. And the reason for this is so that the cake can come out easily when it's finished baking. start adding our mixture. So one right there. Another one right here. Going to add our fruit cake. Yes, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some mixed peel on the top for decoration. Normally use cherry, but couldn't get any cherry because I decided to bake at the last minute. So I'm just going to use some mixed peel. Yes, so the cake is ready. What we're going to do now, I'm going to sprinkle some white rum to give it that extra boost. And preservative as well. And it also